In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Basecamp to Google Sheets with Zapier. We're going to connect Basecamp to Google Sheets so that new activity in Basecamp automatically lands in a spreadsheet you can sort, filter, and share. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing in, or create a free account if you're new. Once you're in, click Create Zap. Giving your Zap a clear name right away can help keep things organized later. For the trigger, search for Basecamp and select it. You'll choose the kind of event you want to watch for, such as a new to-do, a new project, a new message, or new activity. The exact options can vary depending on your Basecamp plan and version, so pick the one that matches what you want to track. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Basecamp account. Approve the connection, and when it's linked, select the specific Basecamp account and the project or area you want to sync from. Next, set up the action. Search for Google Sheets and select it as the Action app. Choose what you want Zapier to do in your spreadsheet. Create Spreadsheet Row adds a new row each time your Basecamp trigger fires. Update Spreadsheet Row is useful if you plan to change existing entries later. Connect your Google account and allow access. Then choose the spreadsheet file and the worksheet where the data should go. Before you move on, open that sheet and make sure the first row contains clear column headers that match what you plan to capture, like task name, created date, assigned to, project, and due date. Having clean headers makes mapping fast and prevents errors. If you'll store dates, consider formatting those columns as dates in Google Sheets. Now, map your fields. Zapier will pull in sample data from Basecamp and show you fields like the to-do name, due date, project, and who it's assigned to. Click into each column in Google Sheets and map it to the matching Basecamp field. Keep names consistent, and if a field isn't needed, leave it unmapped. When your mapping looks good, run a test. Zapier will send a sample to your sheet. Check that values land in the right columns and that dates and names look correct. If anything is off, adjust the mapping and test again. When everything lines up, turn on your Zap. From now on, whenever your trigger occurs in Basecamp, Zapier will add or update rows in Google Sheets automatically. Keep your header row intact and avoid moving columns after setup to prevent broken mappings. That's it, your sync is live.